Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade options on AvaTrade. So first what we need to do is search right here for avaoptions.avatrade.com and then we do enter, and then he will send us to this page. You can already see the background. This is trading options, but if we now fill in our email address and our password and we do login, he is logging in to this server, and then right now he sent us to the website right here, and now we have Ava options right there. You can also see this here left in the top, and now we can use Ava options to trade with. If you want to buy or sell something, we can click here on sell or buy, and then we can just buy something here on the chart. But I need to verify my account, and it's important to do that because otherwise you can do anything besides a demo account. But make sure that you verify your account and then you can trade. So this is how you can trade options on AvaTrade. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.